go on board then. Well, first stop already. That didn't take long, did it?
Few minutes?
A few minutes. Do you think we'll get to the cache?
Yes.
And back?
Yes. Hopefully, but you never know. Maybe get it to the next Tram. Oh, no ticket barriers. That's good. Let's see. We can turn right,
Somewhere around here.
I've seen it.
There we are. We've got it.
Hello again.
Well, despite it being middle of January, it's just quite a leafy area, isn't it?
Yeah.
Even though none of the trees have got leaves on it, but it's
Look here, all over
there's brown, dirty leaves on the ground. But it's not a bad little suburb of Wimbledon, is it?
So, the first site, Tram SideTracked was a success.
That was it. That was quite an easy find, wasn't it? So I hope they're all as equally as easy.
And then we're on the way to the second one now. And try to get it.
So thumbs up to Trollers for recommending this series, the SideTracked Tram series. So our intention is to walk from Wimbledon
to Croydon. Peter, I see you on the other side. I take the Tram.
Something like that. But I think there's another cache just over here. Green cabinets are always worth a look, aren't they?
Oh,
there's some over there.
I've got a clue.
You found it already. Yeah. Done then. Well done. Thanks for the cash. Go Pub, OMIWAHN, 20th of January, 2024.
What's the shortcut of us? No.
Go home. G-O-O-M. Oh, is it coming? Oh. So where are we going? How far is it? It can't be far, really.
41 meters.
41 meters, gosh. Which way?
So look here, you can use that small pass.
It's just there.
Yeah, go down here and then turn right underneath and then turn right again.
It's safe.
Oh, you need it.
Down. There we go. Thanks for the cash. Where are we now? We're in the middle of nowhere. Somewhere down there?
Yes, it's in there.
It's in there?
I need to have a
stick.
A poking thing. I think it's in this hole somewhere.
Somewhere in the hole?
Have a look at the other side. Look.
Oh, is it this thing here? There we are. Here you go.
Hello, Mitcham Junction.
Mitcham Junction.
And let's see where the cache is. I think we need to go over the bridge.
Over the bridge.
And it's not far away, 160 meters I believe.
Let's do that. Is it down there somewhere?
It's down here.
Well done. Here we go. Where you take us now, Almi? Ampere Way. There better be something to eat round here.
Look here, power station.
There's a couple of power stations.
And there's
Oh.
one here.
Yellow and blue shop.
Yeah. Or IKEA or
Do you think they got meatballs there?
should be. Let's find the cache first and then
And the cash, unless there's some meatballs.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm having a thought that it might be behind one of these.
Yeah, could be. Let's see.
Yeah, somewhere in here.
Oh, I think I found it.
You got it?
Seen it?
I haven't seen it there. It's a bit of metal work here. Do you think it's one on this one?
Behind the sign.
There's another sign over there. There's some metal work here.
Second, let me quickly get it spot again. Behind.
Okay, there's another sign here. Anything there? Keep looking. Oh, you found it?
Yeah.
Well done. What's it look like? Another one of those.
Another one of those.
Thanks for the cash.
Herrgott. Then we can start in Croydon and do the rest. And we can pick up the one we couldn't find. The eye.
Right, where are we now, Elmi?
Yeah, it's Wooden Park.
Wandle Park, yeah?
Wooden Park. And it's somewhere behind.
Magnetic, is it? I suspect. If I look from this side, I don't know.
Found it.
You found it. Is it the same as before?
Yeah.
There we go. Where are we now, Army?
Reeves Corner.
Reeves Corner. Alright.
And now we need to figure out
We need to work whether this is brilliant. The tram takes us everywhere. Hey, driver's waving to us. Cool. Driver's waving to us. He likes what we're doing. Have a good day, mate. See that? Welcome to Croydon.
Cool.
Another one. Across the road.
We are at Beckenham Junction.
Yeah, made it to Beckenham Junction. That was a long day, wasn't it?
From Wimbledon down here.
Wimbledon, yeah. So if you want to do lots of side tracks, the tram side tracks,
It's really nice.
it's worth. You can get on, get off, get on, get off. You can walk between them.
Whenever floats the boat, everything is kind of...
It was a bit busy at IKEA, wasn't it?
Yes.
It was.
So it's basically, we need to come back because we have done everything from Wimbledon to Croydon. Now we're on the way back and we need to come back at some stage to finish the remaining Tram SideTracked off.
So, until the next time we do a video like this.
Bye bye, take care.
Bye bye.